My C is a critical thinking mouse. Today, he's doing some grocery shopping. First, he goes to the shop. In the shop, he picks items and puts them into a cart. Then, he checks out the items and fits them into his shopping bags. Finally, he soars away from the shop with the items he bought. Inspired by him, we made a critical thinking rubric called My C. Mindset, identify, comprehend, evaluate, conclude. Let's see how our rubric works by applying it to an article from The Economist. This article is talking about Boris Johnson, a candidate for UK Prime Minister, and whether he has enough support to win. Now, the first step to critical thinking is having the right mindset. As we go into the article, we have to care about getting it right, meaning we try to be well informed by asking questions and seeking answers. At the same time, we have to be open-minded and cast aside our preconceptions. Next, we read through the article, identify things, and put them into a cart. What do we need to identify? Conclusions of the author, arguments along with their reasonings and evidences, rhetorical devices, and terms. Then, it's time to comprehend the things we have identified and fit them into our mental bags. This means making a cohesive picture of the individual things identified earlier. To do this, we need to understand the flow, how the explanation supported the arguments, and what is the connection between one argument to another. Next, we infer meanings. Also, we need to define the terms that we identified earlier in relation to the context. After that, we have to evaluate the article, soar beyond what's given. We analyze the source credibility, omissions, authorship, which consists of context, audience, and purpose, and reasoning, which includes fallacies, assumptions, and biases. The final step is to conclude everything, make personal changes such as deciding our stance, and research further to find out about the things we are still unsure about. MICE is about the article, but C is about ourselves, what we can get from the article. You may forget about the MICE you have performed, but C will stay with you, in your mind and in your heart.